What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now today it's going to be something a little different, maybe a little shorter video, but I'm going to be showing you Android 10 Spotlight wide angle video on this bad boy, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now if you guys did get this at launch, you do know it has 3 camera lenses, just the wide, the ultra wide, and a telephoto. But the weird thing was you couldn't video record with the ultra wide lens. But if you had a smartphone, let's say like the Galaxy S10, or if you got the new iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or Pro Max, you can ultra wide video record. But OnePlus didn't have that, and a lot of people complained, and OnePlus thankfully said they're going to bring it in future updates, and that's exactly what they did with Android 10. Now obviously if you do have the OnePlus 7T Pro, or if you're living in the US and you get the OnePlus 7T, then you do have that option. But for other users like me who have the OnePlus 7 Pro, here we go. We finally got ultra wide video on the 7 Pro. So what I do is I'm going to swipe, and if you guys notice, I have the new icon pack that started shipping with the OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro. If you guys want to get that icon pack, I made a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description down below. But basically, I'm gonna go into camera. Now what you do notice is the same thing. Right now I'm in photo. I can either use the telephoto, which is a 3x. Well, technically it is, but in reality, a lot of people did work, and it's like a 2.2x zoom. The rest of it, like the 0.8 is not even like from the actual camera lens, but that's not important right now. And then obviously the ultra wide, it's a 0.6 ultra wide lens. I believe this is at like 117 degrees, and like the iPhone is around 122. So I actually like the ultra wide on, like, let's say the iPhone much better than I do on the OnePlus 7 Pro, but then again, still ultra wide. But now when we go into video, there we go. We can zoom, use our normal lens, and now use the ultra wide. So essentially, if you notice, the ultra wide isn't really that ultra wide, it's kind of using the normal lens. And another great thing is, so let's say I start off recording with the normal lens, and I want to zoom in. Just press that button. It automatically zooms in. I'll zoom back out, and now I'm going to zoom back to ultra wide. There we go. Now one thing to quote here, or to know here, is if you had the iPhone and you switch from lens to lens, it switches smoothly, seamlessly. You don't even notice. But on this, well, kind of do. And I want to zoom in. Just press that button. It automatically zooms in. Zoom back out. And now I'm going to zoom back to ultra wide. And there we go. You guys kind of see that lag where you can see that like 1 second, that 0.1 second where it zooms out and zooms in. That's what I don't like about video recording when you're trying to switch the lens. But other than that, I'm still very happy that they brought ultra wide to video. I don't do much video recording anymore on my smartphone. If I'm outside and if I just need something very quickly to record, then yeah, I would. And actually, I stopped using the camera as much either. Mainly that's probably because I don't have the best camera. I mean, OnePlus 7 Pro is a very good camera. It takes amazing photos. And if you download the Google Camera APK as well, you'll be getting even better photos. But I just haven't had any situations where I really needed the camera. Maybe that's just me and I've been pretty busy lately, but I am planning on getting the new Pixel 4, but that's for another video. If you guys did enjoy this short video, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below whether you have the OnePlus 7 Pro and you're very happy that you finally got ultra wide video recording on the 7 or 7 Pro. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.